Walking through our campuses, we experience a well-organized environment thanks to our behind-the-scenes heroes: maintenance, transportation, food service, and warehouse workers. This group of people is our core.
Well-kept landscapes on our campuses.
Safe transportation.
And nutritious meals that fuel our day.
Their dedication ensures that everything runs smoothly.
A lot gets accomplished in a year from this group, and we want to share with you the amazing happenings that took place in the 23-24 school year. Our district-wide maintenance teams completed 5,857 work orders. Despite being short-staffed, our district office specialty team played a vital role in this year's success. The transportation department serves the Litchfield Elementary School District with up to 11 daily routes. They've improved by having weekly reports on extracurricular trips and catching scheduling errors early. They even won an award from the West Valley Mavericks for supporting in their transportation needs. The team's growth has not only enhanced service to students, but the community as well. For the past 5 years, each kitchen has received a perfect score on yearly health inspections. They've collaborated with the Exceptional Student Services Department to hire 2 student workers for each kitchen. Additionally, they have partnered with Hickman's Egg Ranch and Duncan Farms to provide local, fresh products for all students' meals. The warehouse has maintained a 97% next-day delivery rate despite challenges. In the mechanic shop, job completion within 30 days has surged to a consistent 90%. This dedication ensures timely delivery of supplies and smooth transportation for all students and staff. Today, we honor and thank our unsung heroes.
We are so appreciative for all the work that you do to keep our students fed, transported safely, and able to come to school in a safe, clean environment.
Thank you to our maintenance and operations staff who keep everything clean and preserved on the inside and on the outside, so that when we're away from home, it feels like home. Thank you to our core.
Thank you, core!
Thank you, core, for being an essential part of the Agua Fria Union High School District family.